Grand World. It's a bamboo structure that was designed by someone to try and help bring three of Vietnamese things together. And they were the bamboo tree, the lotus flower, and the bronze drum. Quite a decent structure, very impressive. And then across here is Grand World. Great big shopping centre. Looks like Venice, and we'll go in there in a second, have a bit of a look around. The mosaic style sculpture, all the little tiles that resembles a human body and head. I'm going to say the water is the hair flowing off the back, but of course I absolutely have no idea, and I have no hair as well, so we'll go with it, it's hair. Wow, that's actually a kid's playground. If you look closely, you'll see the slides on other sides, the rope bridge going across, giant elephant statues, rhinoceroses. I know they're not, but they look like a wicker statue.
So before starting our shopping experience at Wonder World, to see what this place has to offer, I got myself a couple of beers, a couple of waters for the others, and now let's go find out what Wonder World has to offer.
Tam beer. 2 waters and 2 tiger beers for 80,000 dong. So, you go figure, but that's bloody cheap. How you going? Hey Sammy. Out here vlogging? Yeah, I'm vlogging. Look. Yeah, I did go somewhere that was a bit rough. So that was the boys back in Australia. Wondering what I was doing. Probably their home destroying the place while I'm here. The Teddy Bear Museum. Well, we ain't going to go there, but if you've got kids, suppose it's alright. Ah, bridge. That's what we want. More stairs. So they think we're in Phu Quoc, like Vietnam, and they've got something like this. It's definitely not always what you might expect it to be, is it? Mr. Sniffles is back.
I know you're asking what that big line's for. Yes, this is the line for the gondola. It's extremely popular.
It's a Grand World. It's a ciao. Very big group of shops where we can go shopping, and it has that Venice vibe. No thank you.
Now, don't be negative about all these foot massage shops. They're actually really good because there is absolutely so many foot massage shops. There is no other shops for you to go spend all your money at.
No thank you. Walking into the sun. Can't leave my sunnies on. More foot massage. Has spotted something different. A foot massage shop. Well, if you wanted a foot massage, you can get one here, because I've been offered a foot massage about 10 times now. Well, I don't think that she was a normal person going down the river. Must be something special. And there is music ahead, so I suspect there's some extravaganza show going on. The foot massage show. Watch out for the train. Yeah, scared of the white guy. Oh, chicken and roosters. Hey, are you doing? What are you doing? No, you can't have it. That's funny. They whine like a cat. So the place looks like Venice, but it just isn't. The idea behind it is good. I mean, it does look pretty. Master Chef. Chop, 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 chop. It is. It's the old Zippo. I don't think I can take the Zippo on the plane. Oh, nice seashell decorated. Excellent. Been outside for 2 minutes and I'm already sweating again. Found a coffee shop. Xin chào. Hello.
Once you've had your foot massage, you come here and get yourself some new shoes. Or maybe a backpack.
Oh, thanks, skinny. I didn't fit. Oh, wow.
So I didn't actually want to stand here and buy clothing and all that, but I can tell you the tops, they're probably first copies, but they are exceptionally good first copies.
First. So catching the tuk-tuk back costs us more than double than a grab costs. However, it's just so much more fun in a tuk-tuk. And the breeze is fantastic.